It's another beautiful day on the homestead. The birds are singing, skies are clear, the flowers are starting to bloom. And the other day, I finally got my bed of potatoes planted. It's pretty warm out here already, and it's going to go to 90, and we're still in May. So I'm going to get to it because every Friday I do a video on ways that you can reuse containers that you normally would use for purchases in your kitchen, in your daily life. And this is another episode, which is supposed to drop on Fridays, but I had some technical difficulties, so the video didn't come out. I actually did make the video, but uh, it was not watchable. So here we go again. It's a couple days late. Here we are. I showed you guys this in advance. This was kind of the tease. And I'm going to just show you what's growing inside. People buy starter trays, and they're not cheap. So this is my answer to buying starter trays. This is obviously a jumbo egg crate because it has more room inside. And I won't keep you guys in suspense. This is what I am growing. Boom, there it is. So there's 3 different types of starters in here. Obviously, the drawback is you can't keep them in here for too long a period because you don't have a lot of growing space. But that's okay. It's May, and it's at the time where most people, I'm in zone 7A, where most people put their starters in the ground fairly quickly. I have, I'm trying to remember, I wrote on this side what I have in here. I know I have radishes because radishes grow in 30 days. So there is here, here, and here. And so those are the 3. Now, the things you need to know. First and foremost, as I always tell you, you should put drainage holes in the bottom, which I just took a little knife and I just poked across the bottom in the 12 slots. And then I cut the top off and I use this for drainage. That's why you see that I did it like this way. It prevents from overwatering, and then the excess goes into the tray, which stops you from making a mess. And these are actually ready to transplant. I planted these about 10 days ago. And as you can see, they've already come up pretty good. Most of them, I have these 2 here that didn't come up and 1 back there. But hey, that's 9 out of 12, so that's not bad. I don't reuse these because, well, they're plentiful. I mean, pretty much everybody has eggs in their home. And once I'm done with this, I just pluck them out from the bottom, take my thumb, my finger, and just ease them out, put them into the ground, and you're good to go. This is not that difficult to explain or to do. Um, this is pretty simple. That's it. The birds are singing. It's a good day. I'm happy. It's spring. Hope you guys try this and go out and grow something. Remember, I'm the frugal gardener, and when you grow your own food, you always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in a couple days in the next video. And again, use your egg crates and whatever you have around the house and save that money. Have a great day.